The Supreme Court today has agreed to examine certain audio recordings which allegedly points to the role of Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh in the communal violence in the state between Meitei and Kuki communities. A bench of Chief Justice of India, CJI, D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra also saw details of the source of the tape and material to prove its authenticity from the petitioner, Kuki Organization for Human Rights Trust. Solicitor General S.G. Tushar Mehta, appearing for the central government, vehemently objected to the plea and said that the intention of the petitioner is to keep the fire burning. Tushar Mehta said probe is going on. CM met all the Kuki MLAs to ensure peace and whistleblower do not want peace. Intention is to keep the fire burning. The court nevertheless agreed to examine the tapes and the authenticity of it. It may be mentioned that state government has clarified that the audio tape was doctored and it was released with the intent to further fuel the ongoing conflict.